And we're just going to polish this one up. So I'm going to use this cut and polish. Wipe that in. I'll wipe that in there. Get that in round the rim. In there, round there, in there, round there, down here. Right, so we let this wait for about a minute. So I've worked in this cut and polish, and you can see it already puts a shine on our bowl. And then we're just going to use a quick bit of microcrystalline wax. So the first one was the Chestnut cut and polish. So now we're going to use the microcrystalline wax. There, microcrystalline, Chestnut microcrystalline. And I'm just putting this on here. Just put this on. Nice coat of that. Now the secret of putting on wax, if you put on so much that you can see it, you've put on too much wax and you'll be buffing it off for ages and you could get lines in it. So just better off thin coat, buff it, and a second coat if that's what you want.
Have you tried Hampshire?
So I'm just buffing that up, supporting one hand with the other as I go. In there, in the inside. Just got to get that little bit of wax out of that black line. There. There. Now if we want to make that shiny out, we give it a second thin coat. That's what I say, it's far better off to apply a coat, buff it and give it a second coat rather than trying to do it all in one go. So, bit of paper towel, there, spin that up, buff that up. So this is just a basic, let the wood do the talking, bit of sycamore, little rice bowl, like so. Little rice bowl, little black line in it, gives it a little bit, the inside nice and shiny, lovely.